It's very rare nowadays to come across a method which is not only working for earning money online, but is incredibly simple. Now, you're probably thinking, I've heard it all before, I've seen videos like this. I can guarantee you, if you watch this video till the end, you will have a method for earning online which you have never seen, okay? I hadn't seen this until about 3 or 4 weeks ago when my son said to me, Dad, I want to learn this method. Can I go ahead and dive into it? And I had a little look at it and I said, Yeah, okay, go on then. And his results, I'm going to put a little picture up on the screen on one of these sides over here for you to show you some of his numbers. Now, my son is 12, and in the last 2 days, he has earned over $70, which in the UK is about £60, which is awesome. And it's setting this up to be a nice little passive income. Now, this all sounds really good, doesn't it? So let me dive into the laptop and I'll share with you the numbers and the resources for this because it's unbelievable how simple this method is. And moving forward, we're going to be diving into this a lot more. So let's minimize the screen. As always, any comments or questions, go down it below. Let me know. Let's go into it. So let's minimize the screen. Okay, let me move my head down here. So you will notice we are currently over on up here, we're on YouTube. Now you see this random loads of videos around Shrek. Let me scroll up to the top, you'll see this, it'll give you a bit more info. So this channel over on YouTube has uploaded 19 videos. From 19 videos, this one account over here is now monetized and they've got 36,000 subscribers. 19 videos. It's incredible, isn't it? It gets even more mind blowing. Let me show you this. This account over here, using the same method, has uploaded 20 videos and has had 114,000 subscribers. It blows my mind. 114,000 subscribers from someone who was brand new to this, never done anything like this before in their life. 20 videos, 114,000 subscribers. It is ridiculous. And as you can see over here, from those 20 videos, 8 million views, 4 million views, 7 million views. It gets even more crazy. Let me dive over onto TikTok. Okay, so over on TikTok, this is the same account from YouTube, and all they're doing here is they're uploading the videos over on TikTok and then they're putting the same videos on YouTube. Over on TikTok, 57,000 followers, 1.3 million likes. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. Let me show you the other one. So I'll show you the CEO Shrek one. And this is just two examples, by the way. There's many, many more of these. So you see this one over here, this CEO Shrek. I mean, look at that. 8.7 million likes, 248,000 followers. And just look at the numbers that they're getting on the videos. 1 million, 2.8, 7 million, 1.9 million. It is ridiculous, okay? So this whole method that we are looking at today, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of it, it's around creating these short videos over here. They're really short. I'm talking like 15-second videos. And as I mentioned at the start of this video, my son started this method about 3 weeks ago. He went through this training and looked at the different ways of creating the content, and he set it up, and his channel as well is flying. Yesterday, no, I'm lying to you, 2 days ago, his channel got accepted into the TikTok monetization program, so he's now earning from TikTok and the monetizing also in a few other ways. Now, in terms of this, normally where people would fall down with this is you can go ahead and use a platform like Midjourney to create your images. Okay, so let me give you an example of that. So if I come over here and we go over to Discord on here, and this is where you would normally create your images for this, but there's many other platforms and I'll share that with you in a bit. So in here, you would come in and you would type in something like this. So we're going to get a prompt, and this is how I would have normally done it. So let me say a realistic image of Shrek running into McDonald's. Okay, something like this. And then what would happen over here is the AI would go ahead and create the image. Now, in terms of doing this normally for a video, you'd need to create lots and lots of images, which is time consuming. You'd need to put them all together into an editor, and then you'd also have to make them motion, have the images moving around, which would be incredibly time consuming. Okay, well, there you go. There's a couple of images of Shrek running into a McDonald's, and that is just a stationary image. Whereas if we look at this over here, you will notice, over on this account here, look, hundreds of them, different camera angles, wide angles, close-up angles. It's insane. And as you can see, the numbers are crazy. So normally we'd have to go down this route, click on here, edit it, and all the rest of it. But you're in luck, because the guy who's done this, who's created this channel over here, he's teaching this method, and I'll show you this product over here. Okay, so this is it. And if you're watching this video, you're in luck, okay? Now, I'm not going to show you inside of the members area because it wouldn't be fair, okay? But I will put a link to this down below for you so you can go ahead and check it out. Because as you can see on the screen here, these are Daniel's own numbers. It's ridiculous. And I have never seen a method like this, ever. My 12-year-old son is doing it. This guy over here, Daniel, he's actually doing it. That's why I like it, and I'm sharing his course with you, because he's a practitioner. He's not a guru. He's doing this. And other people in the community, like that Bob Flop one I just showed you, and other ones, absolute beginners, are getting like the silver play buttons from YouTube in a few weeks. It is ridiculous. And you can go ahead and check all of this out. Now, the other thing about this, what I really like about this, inside of here, they've got the whole training platform. They offer one-to-one coaching calls. They've got a community where you can chat with everyone in there. And if you scroll down here, I'll show you this. So this is the pricing, okay? Now, it's currently $50 a month. But if you click on Get Access here, you'll see, don't pay $50 a month. You can get access to this, $100 for lifetime access. And I do know this isn't scarcity. I do know this price is going up in a couple of weeks. It's already said in the community it's going up because people are just getting ridiculous numbers from this. And the final thing I'll say to you about this is, inside of here, he shows you his accounts. He shows you his whole process for creating these videos, and he's always updating it. So you can see on here, learning up-to-date practices for creating images with AI, how to create the actual images that he does and the videos that he uses in his videos, the framework that he uses to get organic views, and it works flat out. It works. You've got the tools, so he shows you the free tools and the paid tools that you can use with this, and then the other way to earn money. And here's the thing, okay? If you've never made a video before, can you do it? Yeah, absolutely can do. And you can see on here, the AI Creator teaches you all the tools you need to get started, how to set them up. So look, that's today's video. It's a bit short. Normally I'd take you inside of the members area and show you, how this works and all the rest of it. But if I take you in there, you'll pretty much see at a glance everything that he covers, and it wouldn't be fair to him. But 100%, this is hands down the easiest method I have seen in a long, long time to earn money, and beginners are getting results quickly. So look, if you want to check this out, I'll put a link to it down below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you soon.